hot sneeze. The sneeze was very hot.
From the inside of the car. Alright guys, so today is the next day and it's such a nice day outside and the light is coming in and everything. Like, okay, let this be the day where we're gonna put up the tree. So the Christmas tree. So I figured we'll bring you guys along and share the moment with you guys as well. So, alright, let me take you guys into the living space where my boys are. Hey. Hi, Bobbies. What are you doing? What? Huh? What? You ready for your first Christmas tree? Yeah! It's gonna be so fun! Exciting! Okay. Current situation. This happens to be Babish's favorite spot. Yes. Okay. I'm not going to take it apart. I'm just going to leave it as is. Dun dun dun. Because it is going to be yours. If yours. And yours. And yours. It is going to be yours.
The bride, here comes the bride. Here comes the bride, Lolo. Here comes the bride, Lolo.
Dada's bringing the tree. That's the bride. Well,
Ding 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 ding. Merry Christmas to you. Merry Christmas to you.
You don't go, you don't go, you don't go.
This is a big.
It's a big tree, right?
Yes, it is. I'm guessing that.
That's the biggest part. Oh!
Hey, easy. You're gonna hurt yourself, man. You're gonna hurt yourself when you now ground with this. This is ground. You're still knocking. Your leg will finish you.
Did I tell you how much this thing was?
$20?
Huh?
$20?
I did tell you, huh?
Yeah, 20 $.
Bless you, Bye-bye.
When you showed me the price tag.
I did. Bye-bye, you're gonna see the final results, okay? Maybe you'll put an ornament or something.
Have a happy Merry Christmas and all the Happy New Year.
Okay, can you see the tree? Can you see the tree? Yeah? Over here. Sorry, Bobby.
To sneeze. It was a hot one. Hot sneeze. Hot sneeze. Hot. It was a very hot sneeze. Hot sneeze. Sneeze. Hot. Can you say mama? Can you say mama? Mama. Mama.
Papa, are you calling me? Are you calling me?
Easy. Can you say mama?
You call me. You call my name.
Can you say mama?
So the tree is up and the lights are on it. Okay. But in the meantime, changing first and see if he'll go down for his nap. What I'm sure he'll be interested is in the lights anyways. So I'm thinking we'll show him later. So for now, he's just chillaxing. And yeah, gonna go get some rest, right, Bye. Alright, so I went to the storage room and got the past decorations. Got a few things in there. Ooh. Oh, these ones are pretty. Not sure if I'm gonna use these or make some, or maybe mix both. Like use some of the old ones and make a few DIYs as well. Not sure, but we'll see.
Smiling, cause my Lord is Jehovah Jireh.
Alright, so I am gonna stop there. We'll continue, mostly me, and then we'll show you how Ezzy will react. Or if he's even gonna react. Can I give you a kissy? Can I give you a kissy, Papa? I love you. I love you. Oh my gosh. Okay, sorry for the interruption. Go for it. Babish is on the jolly jumper. So I'm about to do some DIY for Christmas decorations.
Easy. You ready to put some ornaments on the Christmas tree?
He has no idea what ornaments are.
It's a Christmas tree song. Okay, so you're gonna place it. Not in your mouth. You're gonna place it. Okay, let's put it here. Right here.
Does he want to help that down?
Right there.
Thank you.
There you go. There you go. And there it is. It's right there.
Baby has glitter. Did he put that thing in his mouth?
I don't know if he put it in his mouth. Maybe he held it. Uh-oh, he did put his hand in his mouth.
No. Bobby, can I see? Can I see your handy? Your hand? Brush, brush, brush.
Inside.
More inside? Oh boy. You're gonna sparkle. Ew, baby. Ew.
Okay, now wipe.
You made it worse.
No.
You made it worse.
Now you can wipe. See? Looks bad now.
I think I should fold it.
Oh. Oh. Good God, baby. Jingle bells, jingle all the way. Tell Mama it's nice. It's nice? Chicken, 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 chicken. Christmas bell is a jingle bell. Jingle bells. It's Christmas. Merry Christmas.
You gonna bless me? Oh, thank you. Oh, I'm in.
Looks like a slap.
Yeah, I was like, I'm in. Well, that's flowers to those. If you don't mind letting go. Thank you. Ready, Wapish? 1, 2, 3.
Ah, look, can you see the lights? Christmas trees up. Woo! I'm going to get to know you better. This Christmas. And this Christmas.
It looks festive, babe. It's actually not as bad as I thought it was gonna be.
Booyah!
from the inside of the car. I love you. Happy New Year, Chef. Do you look when you kiss? Is that weird?
It's kind of strange.
I love you, baby. I was about to kiss you, you just did.
Oh. That's why there's more
fireworks going on.
Explosions.
Happy New Year, everyone. If this ends up on the vlog.
Happy New Year, everyone. 2020, here we come.
One.
2021. I'm going backwards.
We're moving forward.
Yeah. 2021, here we go.